Hi, this is Miss Claywell. We're going to be doing skill 18 today, which is using the discriminant. So a quadratic formula gives us a solution for the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The discriminant is the part in the square root. Because we are eventually going to have to take the square root of it, the sign of what's under the square root tells us what kind of answers we're going to get. For example, if under the square root is positive, I'm going to get two real solutions, which on a graph would look like I cross the axis twice. If under the square root is negative, or if the discriminant is negative, I'm going to have one real solution. Or, sorry, 0 real solutions. Or 2 imaginary. So that means that it's not going to cross the x-axis. So it could look like this if it's opening up, or like this if it's opening down. So if under the square root is negative, I'm not going to have any answers that are real. If under the square root is 0, I'm going to have one real, because I'm going to have b plus or minus 0 over 2a. So I'm just going to have one real. So opening up, it would look like that. Opening down, it would look like that. In order to find the discriminant, I need it in standard form. So my x squared, and then whatever's in front of my x. So once I identify a, b, and c, I can do my b squared minus 4ac. And this allows me to see what the discriminant is. It becomes 100. Here, I have a plus 0 as my c. So b squared minus 4 times a times c. This equals 49. I need to get everything on one side, so I'm going to add 5x squared to both sides. Minus 2x. I end up with 11x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So I have 11, negative 2, and negative 8. So b squared minus 4 times a. Good morning times c. So this is just how we find the discriminant. These 3 examples just helped us find the discriminant. Flip to the back page of your notes. It wants to know the number type of solutions and then potentially sketch a graph of it. So first let's get it in standard form. I can move that 5 to the other side. If I identify my A, B, and C, so my discriminant equals B squared minus 4 times A times C. This becomes negative 71. And since discriminant is less than 0, no real solutions. So we know this opens up and doesn't cross the x-axis because I have no real solution. So it's going to look something like this. I still want to get this in standard form. Identify A, B, C. Discriminant equals B squared minus 4 times A times C. So if my discriminant equals 0, I have one real solution. This opens up since A is greater than 0 and it crosses the x-axis once. So I don't have anything that hits the graph once and then opens up. Last problem wants us to figure out, we have 2, 1, or 0 real solutions. So first off, let's figure out, because we don't know, okay, let's figure out the discriminant. So my determinant equals k squared minus 4ac. So this is my discriminant is greater than 0. I need to take the square root. So I need k to be greater than plus or minus square root of 5. Discriminant is equal to 0. Then I have a situation of so k needs to be equal to the square root of plus or minus the square root of 504. Zero real solutions means it's less than. If you have any questions, be ready to ask them in class.